Great is the love of God for you. Great is the love of God for me. Love of God is overwhelming. Love of God is the sweetest love God. Love of God is the greatest treasure. Love of God is unfailing. Love of God renew every morning. Love of God is unconditional. Love of God has no boundaries. Love of God has no boundaries. Love of God has no